Today we are at Saint-Gobain Panel Beaters to illustrate the paint stripping process in a body shop. The products shown here can be used according to customer preference. Norton A275 P80 sanding discs, Norton Rapid Blaze non-woven discs, P60 Norton flap discs, a clean cloth, a 115 pneumatic grinder, a 5mm orbit palm sander. Ensure that you have the correct protective wear because safety comes first. To start, remove the paint surrounding the affected area by using either the Norton flap disc or the Norton woven disc. Depending on the severity of the repair, it is very important not to apply too much pressure when using the disc on your workpiece to avoid heat generation and warping the panel. It is also very important to get a uniform scratch pattern, mainly to avoid defects such as sinkages. Continue until you have removed all the paint. Now, switch to the Norton A275 P80 sanding disc on a 5mm orbit palm sander and follow the same process as with the Rapid disc. You will notice a clear difference in the scratch pattern and your workpiece will remain much cooler, serving as a huge benefit for thinner panels. The same product can be used for surface conditioning to provide a uniform scratch pattern. Take note of the feathering that has been accomplished on this surface. The surface has now been successfully prepared to be filled with body filler.